I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to upload a short video to YouTube just using the Shorts camera on your phone, so you don't have to be sitting at your computer. Later, I'll show you how to upload short videos you created without using YouTube's short video creation tools, and share my favorite tips and tricks to get more views on your Shorts videos. Here's how to upload a short video on your phone. Tap the YouTube app, tap the plus sign at the bottom, tap create a short. If you don't like your background, you can use the green screen feature, which means that you can choose a photo from your camera roll on the phone. Tap the green screen feature, find a video on your camera roll, and choose this one. Now I've got a sunset as a green screen. If I want to make my short video longer than 15 seconds, I can tap 15 and make it 60 seconds. Later I'll show you how to trim a video down to 60 seconds that you've already created using the video editor on the YouTube app. I can also add sound by tapping add sound. Then I can browse from all the songs that are on the YouTube audio library. Keep in mind you can always add music later after you've finished recording your short. I can tap the speed icon, or slow it down, or I can speed it up. So it's fast and faster. 1 times is normal. If I tap the timer, then I can set a countdown, like 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or 20 seconds. I can also use the slider if I wish. So if I set it to 3 seconds, I can tap start, and then I can start recording. Here's a tip to grab viewers' attention. Use a strong hook in the first 3 seconds of your video. Don't waste time saying, "Hi guys," or telling a whole life story. Get to the point right away and make the information relevant to the viewer. If I tap the filters, I can select any of these filters at the bottom. To record a clip, I can just hold the button down and start recording, like so. If I want to undo what I've recorded, I just tap the undo sign. And if I want to redo it, I just tap the redo. I can also record several clips, so I just tap it. I can start recording, then I tap again, and you can see that that records that particular clip. Then if I tap again, then I start recording again, then tap again, I've recorded another clip. After you finish recording your shorts, tap the check icon. If you didn't add sound before, you can add sound now. So you can choose from the YouTube audio library. Here's an audio tip. If you have background music playing while you're speaking in the video, make sure the background music is not louder than your voice. You can add text, and then I can move the slider to enlarge the text or reduce the text. I can also align the text. I can do it in the middle, left, right, middle again. And I tap the A, then I can choose a color. I can choose white, orange, green. So in this case, I'm going to choose white. I can enlarge it. I can reduce the size. I can also change the font by just tapping heavy, marker, brush, typewriter, etc. After I'm happy with the text, I just tap done. I can now move the text anywhere in the video, down the bottom or to the top. If I tap timeline, then I can move the text where I want it. Then I can add some more text, just tap the A, add some more text, tap done, tap the timeline, and then I can move this to wherever I want on the timeline, and tap done. I can still add sound if I want, or I can add filters. So I tap filters, and choose normal. I kind of like this P1 filter, so I'll use that one. Tap done. Keep in mind your YouTube Shorts will appear on the short shelf on the YouTube app when people are scrolling on their phones. After you're happy with your recording, tap next. Now you can add a caption for your short and a title. I can choose the visibility, so I've got private here, but I can choose public, unlisted, or private. I can also schedule it. I can publish it now, or I publish it at a later time. So I'm going to leave it on private. You can choose if your audience is made for kids or not made for kids. So I've got no, it's not made for kids, or if you have an age restriction. Keep in mind that your title has to be a maximum of 100 characters. After you've filled out all the details, tap Upload Short. It says uploading to your videos, see video. Now you can see that the short has been added to my video library. So people watching my shorts video can like it, dislike it, add a comment, and you can also share it. Here's how to upload a short video from your phone without using YouTube's short video creation tools. Perhaps you created a short vertical video while you were out and about and saved it to your camera roll. Keep in mind your video has to be a square aspect ratio or a vertical aspect ratio. If you filmed your short video just using your phone in the vertical position, you're good to go. Here's how to upload it to YouTube using the YouTube app. To upload your video, tap the plus sign in the YouTube app. Tap Upload a Video, select a video that's 60 seconds or less, or if you select a video that's over 60 seconds, you can trim it using the video editor. So I'm going to select this video. Down the bottom you have the video editor, so you can just tap the bar on the left and slide it to trim your video. You can do the same on the right hand side by tapping the bar, then moving it to the left. Everything that's contained in the box will be in your video. Everything you've trimmed that's outside the box will not be in your video. So if you've got a video that's over 60 seconds, you can just trim it using the video editor. Tap Next. Now you can add sound, text, adjust a timeline, and add filters just like I showed you previously. When you add sound from YouTube's audio library, you can only add a 15-second clip. Tap Next. Tap on the title to add your title. Tap Visibility to select your visibility. So I'm going to leave it on private, and you can also schedule it. Select your audience, made for kids, not made for kids. I'm going to select no, it's not made for kids. After you've added all your video details, tap Upload Short. So I'm going to tap Videos. It says Upload to your videos, see videos. I'm going to tap See Video. Here's my biking video, so I'm going to tap on the biking video, and here's my shorts video already completed. Did you know that shorts videos on YouTube get 6.5 billion views per day? So it's a great way to expose your content to a different audience that normally watches your regular videos. Here's how to upload a short video from your computer. Just keep in mind it has to be a vertical aspect ratio of 1920 pixels long and 1080 pixels wide. It can also be a square aspect ratio. It also has to be 60 seconds or less. Log into YouTube channel, then click on the profile icon, click YouTube Studio, click the Create icon, click Upload Videos, click Select Files, select the short video that you wish to upload, click Open, give it a title, add a description. I highly recommend adding the hashtag shorts in the title or description to increase the probability of your shorts video appearing on the short shelf. You don't have to select the thumbnail because it doesn't show up on the short shelf. Scroll down, select your audience. It's not made for kids. It's not necessary to add tags. Click Next. Monetization off. Click Done. Click Next. I don't want to add subtitles or cards. Click Next. Copyright, no issues found. Add suitability. Monetization is turned off. Click Next. Visibility, unlisted, or you can schedule it. So I'm going to schedule this for the 30th of November and click Schedule. It says your video will be set to public on November 30th, 2021. And here's the video links. Now I can check the video. Here's how the vertical video looks on my computer with the bars on the left and the right. And this is how it looks on my phone. I highly recommend watching my video how to upload YouTube Shorts from PC that currently has 214,000 views. I'll place a link to it in the description below this video. Here's how to add a short section to your YouTube channel homepage. Here's how the short section appears on your channel homepage. Click on Customization in YouTube Studio, click Add Section, click Short Videos. Now your short section will appear on the YouTube channel homepage. You can also track the performance of your short videos by clicking on the Reach tab in Video Analytics. Under Traffic Source Types, you'll see the percentage of traffic that comes from the Shorts feed. What if YouTube Shorts are not showing? Watch this video on the screen right now on how to fix YouTube Shorts not showing. You'll discover 5 places where viewers can find your short videos and the best ways to optimize them.